What's good, sneaker fam? I'm the Maverick, and we're back with another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Today we'll be unboxing the Jumpman Jacks, so strap in and lace up.
Counting me out, you know you did wrong. I couldn't believe it, I definitely got my money right now. These niggas claim they ups until they so blow to the top.
Alright, this is the box it comes in. Has the crown at the top of the box. Got Jack, Jumpman. This box is pretty heavy, like it's real sturdy. It'll be hard to mess up. So the paper is wrapped in. Got the dark mocha wrapping. And the shoes come in this bag. I think the bag is cute. It has the Cactus Jack smiley face right here. Then it got a Jumpman. Each shoe is wrapped in this paper. Then it has a sticker on it. The Jack will wear off. Talking about the Jack at the bottom. This is what they look like. The Sail in Dark Mocha Jumpman Jacks. As you can see, we got quite a few details on the shoe. You can start with the Cactus Jack smiley face on the heel. Then, like the paper said, got the Jack at the bottom, so the more you wear them, the more they wear off. I think I seen this video, this guy said he wore them for like 2 hours and they started peeling off. So keep that in mind. Of course, they got the reverse swoosh. Then on the strap, the Travis Scott logo on the strap. And then this is the first I've seen a altered Jumpman. Got this crown, the 3 lines. They call that the crown on the Jumpman. And the material on the shoe is like different. Like they got leather, canvas, got the new bulk materials on the shoe. Pretty nice. This is his first Jordan silhouette. I know he dropped the 1s and the 6s, but this is his first actual shoe. I believe he also dropped the University Red ones on his site, but these dropped on. I think they're pretty nice. A lot of people say they don't really like them, but I actually like them. It's something different than what we've been having. We've been having a lot of the same shoes, and I just like that it's a different shoe. When I first seen them, I thought they was like a basketball shoe. That's what they look like to me, but I think they pretty nice. I think these would go good with like some cargos or some jeans. I would definitely wear these. Yeah, once again, Sail in Dark Mocha Jumpman Jacks. They dropped April 30th. If you got a chance to get these, lucky you. This has been another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Make sure y'all tap in, like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we also post videos on TikTok. So be sure to look out for these. Peace.